Hey, wanna hear a joke? Okay. It's about ketchup. Oh, I just spoiled it, darn it! You better start over. Can you start over? Wait, no, don't start over because... okay, here it goes. See, these, fruits and vegetables were having a race, and, there was a sea cucumber... Wait, no. Well, there was a banana, an apple, and a tomato. Yes, a tomato. Half it. Okay. And, see, what's faster, a banana or a tomato? Let's say the banana was faster because they're fatter. I mean, skinnier like me. You know, I'm on the ski. Oh, I'm on the ski side. Well, anyway. Camera. Oh, well, anyway. Okay. See, the apple and banana were running ahead of them, and the ketchup, the tomato, the tomato said, "Can you catch up?" Yeah!